running a travel agency and do you also wish that instantly your lead details should be added into your Google Sheets? Then this is the correct and the perfect video for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your travel agency lead details to your Google Sheets without any manual efforts. So to do this, you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 of lead details free into your Google Sheets. And once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase a subscription plan. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very good discount, and this discount coupon code is exclusively for the users who watch our YouTube videos. So go and take the benefit of this discount coupon code, and you're going to see now we're on the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action on this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Just Dial. I use Just Dial to collect the details of my travel agency business leads, and you're going to see for the event we have to select new leads and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between Just Dial and Pabbly Connect, we have received this webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your Just Dial account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from Just Dial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Because Just Dial portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface, you have to reach out to your backend team of Just Dial or some point of contact of yours from Just Dial and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Once this webhook URL is added in your account, automatically your travel agency lead details will be started capturing over here as the webhook response. I have already added this webhook URL, so let's capture the details of my lead. And you're going to see that we have successfully captured the details of our lead, be it phone number, last name, first name, email address or the area. Now I'm just going to add these lead details in my Google Sheets. For that, we have to click on this add new action step. And now for the action application, you have to search for Google Sheets. And for the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on the sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to build this connection. And now Pabbly is asking for some permissions, so click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because our data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now our Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So as you can see, the name of my spreadsheet is lead details and the sheet is sheet 1. So we're going to select the spreadsheet as lead details, and then for the sheet we're going to select it as sheet 1. Then one by one we're just going to enter all the details right over here so that we can add the lead details in our Google Sheets too. But we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one I'm just going to map these details and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received this positive response that we have successfully added the details. And you're going to see the details are added successfully, be it the name, the email, the phone number or the city. The details are exactly the same which we received during the test submission. And with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Just Dial, the lead details will be added in my Google Sheets. And not only this, what is going to happen is that my travel agency lead details will be added without any manual intervention. So yes, go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and create this amazing automation for your own travel agency too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.